Ever wonder what it actually means to get pre-approved for a mortgage? We hear the term all the time, but what does it actually mean? This video is all about that. We're going to be going step by step through the entire process of getting pre-approved for a mortgage, so you know exactly what to expect and how to set yourself up for success. My name's Elizabeth Johnston. I'm a mortgage broker in California and Texas. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, first, let's start off with documents. It's not the most exciting part, but it is one of the most important aspects of this exercise. Before you can even get pre-approved, we do need to verify your financial situation. So that means let's get your pay stubs in order. Anywhere between 30 to 60 days, the more the better. Your W-2s and your tax returns, if you have them, especially if you're self-employed. We will then ask you for bank statements. We'll need at least 2 months of those because we're looking to check your assets and your reserves. If you have any other income sources like bonuses or commission, definitely include those documents as well. If you get alimony, if you get child support, anything else besides your typical pay stub from your job, if you want it included in your income, definitely send it to us so we can verify. But remember, you will need to have these for at least 2 years in order for it to be used as income. The next step is talking to a mortgage professional like myself. A lot of people are going to go straight to their bank. And I'm not going to knock you for it. It's fine if you want to go with your bank. I mean, I get it. But here's something I will tell you. When they pull your credit, they're going to have specific programs. You may or may not fit their guidelines. And when you use someone like me, who's a mortgage broker, when I pull your credit, when I take your application, when I look at your documents, I'm able to shop you around to multiple lenders, which means there are more options for you. Different lenders have different guidelines. And when you go bank to bank to bank without a broker, you're getting your credit pulled all the time. Whereas with someone like me who is a broker, it is one credit pull with multiple lenders. Something to think about, but again, it is totally up to you. So however way you decide to go, we're all going to end up in the same spot. We are going to have to pre-approve you. We are going to have to get you a credit check. And we're going to be looking at your payment history, your debt to income ratios. Are there any red flags? Are there late payments? Do you have high balances? Did you have a foreclosure? Do you have high student debt? We're all going to be looking at the same thing. Now, one thing that we do get asked a lot is, like, what credit score do I need? The truth is, it really depends on the type of loan because some programs do allow for lower scores, but generally, the higher your score, the better your interest rate. Now, if you don't have the highest of scores, that's totally fine because we can always improve it. As long as you're willing to do the work to improve it, that's awesome. To get that 3.5% down, you just need a 580. If you've got a 500 credit score, you can still get a house. And if you want to go up to that 580, there are ways we can do that. You want to go to the 620 to get a conventional? By all means, let's work it out. All I can do is help you figure out the best strategy to get you to where you want to be. Now, lastly, once we've checked your income, we've checked your credit, we've looked at your financials, that's when you get that pre-approval letter. And that lets everybody know, your agent, the seller's agent, that you're serious and you're ready to go and become a homeowner. But there is one thing that I will caution you on. The pre-approval is not a guarantee that a loan will happen because it's based on the available info at the time that we pulled your credit. So that's why we say don't do any big financial moves. Like don't quit your job, don't buy a new car, don't get a new loan, don't co-sign for a car, don't co-sign for a credit card, and don't move large amounts of money, so on and so forth. We want to stay as close to how you were when your credit was pulled. And guys, That's it. That is the entire pre-approval process. It's really just about getting those documents, working with a mortgage professional, getting that credit checked, and making sure that it all works out so you can get that pre-approval letter. And then you can go shopping for your home. You'll even know your budget, so that's even better. If you still have questions, please reach out to me anytime. If you are in California or Texas, I would absolutely love to be your mortgage professional. And guys, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. I'll have all my contact information below. And guys, I hope to see you on the next video.